My advice to people who have a hearing loss is to have a hearing test, have an experienced audiologist and seek advice. My new hearing aids help me work better. I can hear people. I'm a travel agent, so I need to hear people. In social situations, you can actually hear one person talk and not a whole heap of gabble. I can actually hear the television now without it having turned up to maximum. Best thing I ever did was to buy a set of hearing aids. I've been a patient at Ear and Hearing Australia for the past 19 years. I've always found them very patient and thoroughly enjoy the experience with them. I strongly recommend Ear and Hearing Australia to anyone that has a hearing loss, and I would strongly suggest that they go and see Mo at their earliest opportunity.